Oh, we've got another special Corvette from my father's collection, a 1965 Corvette filled with luxury and comfort options, all number match, loaded with eye appeal. Comes with a nice storyboard here, 3 Top Flight awards, complete detailed owner history as a one-woman owner up until 31 years later. It looks like a body off frame restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures. Top to bottom, that's where you'll find a price tag on 200 classic cars, including this one, and it'll have a monthly payment along with it as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. So my dad's been collecting C2 Corvette coupes. The coupe is just an outstanding design. They made less of them. Just a better looking car than the Roadster, in my opinion. This is a rally red car, according to the tag. That's the way it was born. California car, most of its life up until like 2013. And at that point, it wasn't driven in bad weather. So anyway, this coupe body style has this nice line down the middle, has this boat tail design, the curved window, just gorgeous. The whole car is gorgeous. The flared fenders, and it's all looking really good. I don't see any damage, cracking. I don't see any issues. Little chip touched up right there. All this is looking really nice, shiny red paint. Oh, that just wipes off. All this is excellent. Now with the coupes, the doors go all the way up into the roof, so it's got to fit all the way around. Opens very easily. Shut like a new car. I barely gave it any effort. All this is excellent. It's all looking great. Here's a little chip on the inside of the jamb right there. All beautiful. Here's a couple little touch-ups on the inside of the jamb. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All this looking really nice. Headlights work. They fit nice and square. The hood fits nice and square. Very mild. Something must have splashed on it at one time. There's a little bit discoloration, a little bit stains, like something splashed on there. Out in the daylight, car is so bright and shiny, no one's going to notice. I have to tell you about it though. Body's looking real good here. Here's a little hairline scratch. It actually looks like a little hair laying on the car. All this is looking good. Let's see if this side does just as well. Beautiful. That means a lot. There's a chip here touched up and one right here. And again, these are flaws I'm pointing out because that's part of what I'm doing right now. But you stand here and look at the car. It's gorgeous. There's another touch up right there. This is all nice and shiny. The emblem sparkling, tail lights sparkling, bumpers, all that's beautiful. Antenna, shiny. It's a power antenna. The rear glass may have been replaced because it's not all scratched up like usual. This trim is buffed out beautifully and it fits real nicely as well. Door handle's real nice. Bow tie mirror looks new. The fuzzy strips in here, rubber seals are excellent. Windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure it's replaced. And again, the moldings are polished and they fit nice and tight. Love the cross flag emblems. The side pipes. Awesome, awesome feature. It looks cool, looks brand new. Best part though is how it sounds. When you're cruising down the road, you got the rumble of those pipes. Nothing like it. Up front, the bumpers, the grille, the emblem, all that looks really sharp. 4 more things we need to mention. Tires and wheels. And yeah, there's all 4 of them. It has reproduction. Redline tires, they're so new. The nubs are still on the treads of the tire. BF Goodrich Silvertown. The knockoffs also look new because they're polished beautifully. Let me get out of the way one more time. Just look how beautiful that car is. The concealed headlights, the boat tail. Let's open it up and see the inside. All right, just look at that awesome design. My father was selling these Corvettes in the early 70s when they were just used cars. We actually have old black and white pictures. He had a whole row of them lined up. So he's very familiar with them. He started collecting the coupes, primarily focusing on air-conditioned cars, which this one is. Door jambs real nice. Weather strips in excellent shape. Door panels look brand new. Notice there's no window cranks other than the vent window because they're power windows. All right, the dash area, look at that, how nice it is. The gauges are all nice and clean, all functional too. These cars have been fully serviced and working real nice. Both dash pads are in great shape. This side has the grab handle. Glove box door, real nice shape. The light works. Some miscellaneous owner's manuals and stuff. This is our inspection sheet. That'll go with the car. Interior lights work. Screws are shiny. Carpet's excellent. Nice clear rubber mats. And this whole center tower is excellent. The clock is ticking. So I tell my guys all the time, factory AM/FM radio, automatic transmission, the whole center console's in real nice shape, power windows, the original style seat belts. Now look at this, genuine soft leather upholstery. I love leather upholstery. Carpeted front to back. And those 3 ribbons are the Top Flight awards, and they're displayed real nicely. It looks real nice just like that. Let's see if this one has the jack. Yep, it has a jack and the hammer for the knockoff spinners. So everything back here looks really sharp. Dome light works, all the trim, the headliner, the visors, the mirror, all in excellent shape. Now check this secret out. It's a telescopic wheel. It's a pretty rare option in a Vette, and this is real teak wood. When they say it has a wood deluxe wheel, those are plastic. This is a genuine wood wheel. There's a power antenna switch under there. This is a loaded up car, folks. It's all about the comfort and luxury. You just put this car in drive, hit them power windows up, turn the air on, stay nice and comfortable. Power steering and power disc brakes. The engine compartment is all restored, looks to be factory condition. Numbers match. We've documented that. Even in the back, we went the extra effort, got casting codes, dates, the VIN numbers match, the dates all line up. All correct manifolds, valve covers, stickers, the dual snorkel air cleaner, the lower and upper ignition shielding. Again, power brakes, dual reservoir master cylinder. Power steering, this whole radiator and shroud and clutch fan all looks real nice and fresh. Proper hoses and clamps. Correct carburetor with the choke tube, the right fuel filter. Has the expansion tank, has spring clamp cables. So yeah, real nice looking motor compartment, 300 horsepower. Just a nice, easy to maintain, nice cruising engine. Now behind us is this board that my father put together himself. Here's the 3 Top Flight awards, NCRS shipping data, sold new in Duff Chevrolet in California. Here's all the breakdown of the numbers and codes. Some miscellaneous literature down here. This is Stella, the first owner, and these pages are a complete history of the owners. I think there's phone numbers, what they paid, how long they owned it. Very detailed history that Corvette lovers get, or love, I mean, and you don't get it very often. All right, let's talk about the undercarriage. So I don't know if it was body off frame restoration or not for a fact, but it sure looks like that underneath. It is beautiful and it is detailed. Being a California car, the frame and chassis components are smooth. It's not pitted or flaky, and it's got a nice semi-gloss finish. And then the floors are raw fiberglass. That's the way they're supposed to be. A lot of guys will spray paint them black. The only reason they would do that is they're hiding something. They're either really dirty or it's beat up or repaired. This has nice raw fiberglass floors. Spare tire carrier is all there, spare tires in there. Independent suspension front and back. It looks like it's all been rebuilt and everything's detailed. Looks like proper finishes. all looking good. And you don't have to take my word for it. It has 3 Top Flight awards. First year for disc brakes, and it has it at all 4 wheels. Makes the 65 worth a lot more than a 64 just because of that nice upgrade. And all the brakes are in good working order. E-brake is hooked up. Now Michael does a test drive. It's a completely different video now. Complete test drive, going down the road, demonstrating how it functions. Look for that on our website and in our YouTube channel. You look up at the motor, the Chevy orange paint is immaculate. And I noticed the gasket around the oil pan's not painted over. So the motor had been apart recently, painted. It looks fresh as can be. Starter looks fresh. It has the lower ignition shielding that where the wires run through. And this is early enough where it still had the canister screw-on oil filter. That's all correct. It has a Power Glide automatic transmission. That looks brand new too. You know, even up on top where you get greasy in that, it's all spotless, like it's been out recently, so probably serviced or rebuilt. In back is the original 336 rear end. It's dated and coded properly for this car. So yeah, just an absolute stunning car. When I stand next to it and look at it, I think this is the best looking out of the entire collection. Although they all look great, so my mind does change, but boy, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Cruise and comfort. You know, the air conditioning added about 10% of the car's value back then. They were about $4,000, and the air conditioning was about $400. That's a big deal, very rare. Now it's very desirable. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this beauty in your garage, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.